In this video, we do something really smart. Unbox these. It's DADvinci time. Right, time to unbox this Nooie twin pack of smart plugs. Let's have a quick flick around the box itself. This is model number PU13. You've got the power output details there and the features that are listed on the side of the box as well. So let's open up, see what we're getting here. Okay, so we've got a small instruction manual here, which gives you a product overview and how to set it up and what's expected. It's a nice, easy to use by the looks of it, not too much on there. We're not actually going to use the recommended Nooie Home App. We're going to use the Smart Life app, which is a really reliable and tested and tried on this channel before. So we're going to use that. I'm going to switch to my phone in a minute and we're going to show you how to set the plug up. And we've got another, looks like another card in here. Okay, share your experience on Amazon, become a member of the Nooie Club. So that's one there. So here are the plugs, and that's what they look like in the box. Let's get one of them out, have a look around. Okay, smooth design. There's no sharp edges really on here, which is nice. Got various bits and pieces on here. There's the on-off button at the side there. So let's smash test, smash and rattle. No, there's nothing rattling there. So that's a robust kind of plug by the looks of it. So we've got a bit of branding on the top there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to my mobile phone and just going to set the plug up in the Smart Life app, and then we'll come out of that and do some tests with voice assistants. So the unboxing is now done. The Smart Life app is fired up in my phone, ready to go. So it's just a matter of preparing the plug. So all we need to do is just literally plug it into an outlet and make sure the outlet is switched on. And then hopefully we should start to see a flashing LED on the top. So it's a white one in this case. And I'm hoping you can see that there. That is now rapidly blinking. So the plug is now ready to set up. So let's go over to the app and get that done. Okay, so I fired up the Smart app on my phone, and as you can see, I've already got other devices that I use. I like this app because it's very reliable. So I'm going to click on the little plus button in the top right hand corner, and then now you just need to select the type of device you need. So I'm going to add it as a socket Wi-Fi, which is the first in the top left of the selection. So I've clicked on that. We have the white LED on top of the plug flashing rapidly. So I'm going to confirm that, and then you just get asked to confirm the details of the Wi-Fi that you're connecting it to. So again, there's a reference here to the fact it needs to be a 2.4 gigahertz network on your home router or wherever you use this particular plug. So I'm just going to confirm that now. That should go off and find the device, register it on the Smart Cloud, which is the one that's used by Smart Life in this case, and then it should initialize the device ready to be used. And then hopefully you should also see that the light, once the plug's been found on top of the plug, stops flashing. And there we go. So I'm just going to change the name of that and give it a name that's a little bit better. I'm going to just call it Film Light. Let's call that Film Light. And then just save that now. So as you can see, the operation's been successful. We click on done for that. And you can see also the pop that's also found on Alexa as well automatically. And the same will be on for Google Home. It will also find it on there. So I'm just going to do a quick test. You can see it's got power, timer and settings along the bottom. So you can click in the middle of the screen to switch it on and off, which is working perfectly. And the timer function as well has all the usual things. You can add a schedule in here, so when you want it to go off, the particular time, the date. So we're not going to do that at the moment. So we'll press the X in the top corner on that. You can do a countdown timer as well, which is what it suggests. So you can count down to when the timer switches the light off, or whatever you have actually plugged into the plug itself. You've got circulate, so you can add times to circulate on and off. Again, it's more of a scheduling based option there. So we close that one down, and then we've got random. So we've got a random time setting. I imagine that's for when you're away on holiday or away from the home to make it look like it's occupied. So there we have it. It's all set up, ready to go. There's the settings there as well. It has a child lock on it as well. So that's as much as we can do from here. So I'm going to come out of my phone now and go back to doing some tests with voice assistants. Right, now time to test the plug. I'm using my trusty film light on this to see how it goes. So let's start off with the responsiveness of the actual button, which is really good. So that's working fine on the plug itself. So it's now time to try out voice assistants. Switch off film light.
Okay, turning off the film light.
Switch on film light.
Okay, turning on the film light.
Switch off film light. Switch on film light. So there you have it. Tested, set up in the Smart Life app and working on both of the voice assistants. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our video. All the links you'll need will be in the description below. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And stay tuned to DADvinci.